And for today, a do-it-yourself jewelry box. Okay, you guys, gotta let me know what you think on this one. We have 3 separate doors that open up, and this way you gain access to your jewelry instead of reaching in for it. It comes out to you. Now each one of these panels has been thinned, so there's just a little ear sticking up for the last 3/4. Only about an 1/8 inch thick, and I put slits in those so that earrings and such can fit on each one. And then apparently it's nice to just put earrings and such right over too. Looks like that all works really well. Then from the center you have access to a carousel that gives you your 360-degree ability to put lots of stuff on there. And then we have storage along the bottom. And on this side we have the same thing. The ability to put more rings and stuff on, and they come out to you. Then these doors have 3/4 inch thick acrylic that's been beveled and then bead blasted to give it that nice frosted look. And then the center mullions themselves, right back here, have lights installed in them, all buried inside, so you'll feel nothing, you just see the light. So it's pretty nice. It's basically shadowless, everything's lit pretty evenly, and a simple cord comes down the bottom center that I had to ask what color the walls were so I could give a cord that was perfect for it. And then you have storage on top if you like, behind the casement up here. And it's a simple bolt to a stud on each side of the wall. So you have just 4 fasteners and it holds the whole thing up for you. Now, each one of these is just a simple pin done with just a screw, so it seems like it's on a hinge. But nonetheless, they're not. Then these were beveled, or radiused I should say, so that they don't interfere with each other as you're coming around. It worked out pretty sweet. I was really liking it when it was done. I definitely, all solid oak. There's only veneer that's on it are the 2 back wall pieces. Those are actually just covered, but the rest is solid oak. You guys let me know what you think.